I genuinely think that wireless earbuds are getting kind of boring. Like, sure, every new pair sounds a little bit better. There's a slight better noise cancellation, better durability, better battery life, but fundamentally, they are all doing the same thing. And right when I was thinking about this, JBL goes ahead and drops this. These are the new JBL Live Beam 4. And guys, weirdly enough, my favorite thing about them isn't even the earbuds, but the case itself. So these actually come with a touchscreen that you can use to not only change your music, but configure your noise cancellation modes, set up different settings, look at your phone's notifications, and all of that without ever touching your phone. And initially after using this, I thought it would be mostly a gimmick. But after using it for a while, I kind of get it. If I'm somewhere where I can't take my phone out, let's say I'm walking or I'm working and I just don't want to use my phone and I quickly want to change the song or set up a different setting or adjust the volume, I can just use the earbuds case and that stops me from doom scrolling. But obviously guys, these also need to sound good. At the end of the day, they are a pair of wireless earbuds, but in this regard, you don't really have to worry because you get JBL Signature Sound coming out of these earbuds. These are going to really impress you. One of the cool things is also how nicely you can personalize the sound that comes out of these earphones. Apart from manually tweaking the EQ, there's also Personify 3.0, which basically creates a personalized sound profile based on your own hearing. And this is one of those features that I would actually go ahead and ask you guys to set up, because instead of trying out multiple different EQ modes, this is something that will make sure that you get the sound profile that you will enjoy based on your ears. Of course, there's also JBL Spatial sound, which I have been using while watching movies as well as TV shows. It creates a much wider and more immersive sound stage that feels really good. Not just that, if you're an audio nerd, you also get LDAC support for high quality wireless audio, and there's also Auracast compatibility here, so you can connect it to multiple devices. Noise cancellation on these have also been updated to True Adaptive ANC 2.0, which automatically listens to the noise around you and constantly adjusts the noise cancellation to make sure you get the best effect. Now, I have tested it both indoors in my studio as well as while walking outdoors in sort of noisy areas, and honestly, the experience has been good. I also like the fact that in the app, you can also manually select the noise cancellation. So there isn't on or off, but there's a granular level that you can also adjust depending on what kind of cancellation you want. As far as microphones are concerned, guys, these earbuds come with 6 microphones, and that is really good for keeping your voice clear. I took a few calls on this and my experience was pretty good. The person on the other hand could hear me perfectly fine, and whether you do these calls in noisy areas like outdoors or indoors, your experience is going to be pretty good. And finally, battery life is something that I was a little skeptical about, given the fact that this literally has a screen on front of it. But the good thing is that these last you around 48 hours with the case, of course, and battery life is very, very good in my experience. And somehow, let's say if you manage to kill them, a quick 10-minute charge is going to give you around 4 hours of playback. So that is also very nice. And for convenience, you can also charge these wirelessly. So yeah, the JBL Live Beam 4 basically gives you a lot of great features that every premium pair of wireless earbuds should have. There's good sound, adaptive ANC, great personalization options to get the sound that you want, and also this amazing screen, which is so unique in the earbud space. Like, honestly, if you haven't tried it, you might think that this screen is absolutely unnecessary, but trust me, once you get used to it, it's one of those reasons that keeps me coming back to these earbuds. And at a price point of around 18,000 Indian rupees, the feature set along with this amazing screen and all the options that I showed you in today's video definitely make up for it. So be sure to check them out. I'll link them below, and if you do end up picking them up, let me know in the comments what you thought of the Live Beam 4. This is Anubhav signing out. Thank you so much guys for watching this review, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, stay safe, and peace out. Bye-bye.